Talanta Mudidi.
My man.
Yes, boss.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
What's your name? I'm okay.
I'm Red Mark from Cape Town. That is Kamuli, Mblamti sub-county.
Red Mark from
Mkokoto
Cape Town.
village.
Mkokoto kwa.
Yeah, but I base Mafeke.
Mafeke?
Yeah.
Mkokoto kwa is where your Captain Ginger
Yeah.
come from, eh?
Yeah, he's
Kokoto.
our neighbor.
Hey,
He's your neighbor?
Yeah.
Oh, he's your friend?
No.
Hey.
He's our neighbor village.
He's the one who inspired you?
No.
Why?
No, because he just started singing. For me, I get inspired by Dr. Jose Chameleon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, say hi to your girlfriend.
Right now, I don't have my girlfriend.
Why?
We're separated.
You separated?
Yeah, it is
So
partial.
you're single?
Yeah, I'm single and contented.
Were you married?
Yeah,
You were married? How old are you?
I'm 26.
26.
Yeah.
Sorry.
He'll give me a number. I'll talk to her.
She's already got another man.
She's already got another man.
Yeah.
So for me, I just want to call her.
Hey,
It is already confirmed she got another.
she got married.
She got another pattern.
Okay. So can't you reconcile?
I can't.
You can't go back.
Yeah.
You're pushing on.
Yeah.
You got another one.
And even I'm in a good situation, so I can't.
You didn't replace.
I don't.
Okay.
So how do you?
Talanta Mudidi.